In this video, I'll show you how to remove the side panels on your PS5. So let's get started. First, turn off the console and remove every cable from the front and the back. Then if your PS5 is attached to a stand, you'll have to remove it as well. Then take your PS5, you see where the logo is, put it with the logo facing up on the lower left side. This is how we're gonna start. With your right hand, I suggest you grab your PS5 base like this and you keep it in place. You're gonna grab the plate, okay, like this. And the action that you need to do is, first of all, to pull up and then to push towards the right side slightly, okay? You don't need to apply much force. So let me demonstrate. So this is hand just to maintain the console in place. I'll pull up and you see it does not take much. I didn't have to push towards the right side, that the panel popped out by itself. Now let's remove the other one on the other side. So turn your console. Once the console is in this position, place your left hand on the top left corner and grab the top panel like this, you see. The other hand will just use it to support the console so it does not come fly over. So take the panel here and we'll do the same thing. We're gonna push up and push towards the right side. So I'm pushing up. This one is a bit more difficult, I warn you. And here we go. It took just a bit more effort. Same thing, push up. Even if you feel a bit more resistance, try applying a bit more force and then push towards the right side. And this panel came out. You see how it's maintained? Is these clips, okay, that are staying attached all over the place.